Hello, what's up? This is Driver Installer. In today's video you will learn how you can download and install the Bluetooth driver in Windows 7, 8, and 10 quickly and very easily. The first thing you will have to do is go to the Start and then open your preferred browser. In my case it is Google Chrome. From the browser you will go to google.com. Before continuing, it is important that you know what version of the operating system you have. If you know it, advance the video, and if not, follow these steps. Go to Start. Then type PC. Now choose the Properties option. From this window, you will be able to see what version of Windows you have. In my case it is Windows 10. And also, you will be able to see how many bits the system is. Knowing this, what you will do is, go to Google and write, download Bluetooth driver for Windows, and the version of Windows and the bits of your Windows. If you have Windows 7, you type Windows 7, if you have Windows 8, you type Windows 8, and so on. Don't forget to add the operating system bits to the search. Once the search is done, a website like this will appear. Then, you will open it. Make sure it is the official Intel website. Open, then, you will look for the download section, and you will choose the appropriate driver for your computer. This, you will be able to know through the information that the driver has in its download section. Press the download button to start the download. Once you have downloaded this file, then you will only have to open it as an administrator and follow the steps of the installation wizard. Here you press Next. Accept the terms and click Next. Here you can choose different options. I recommend you choose the Complete option. Click on Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Once it is installed, in order to activate Bluetooth, you can go to the notification panel and see if you have a Bluetooth icon here. If so, you will right-click on it and choose the option to activate it. Otherwise, you go to Start, then to Settings, then you go to Devices, and from here you can see an option that will allow you to both turn off and turn on Bluetooth. Also, from here you can add Bluetooth devices to your computer. Once you have installed the Intel Bluetooth driver, if this does not work for you, then, in the description of the video, I will leave you 2 solutions that you can do to be able to use your Bluetooth. For now, if you like this video, watch this to continue learning and don't forget to leave without subscribing.